all of the stuff that I got.
Wow, the same dress from Fashion Nova is $30 plus shipping versus $7.99 at Rainbow.
I really am shocked at the material. Like, it's actually nice and kind of thick. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia and today I'm going to be showing you guys some clothes that I got from a store that has been around for a long time. I've actually been purchasing clothes from them since I was like a teenager, and it has been said now that they have the dupes for Fashion Nova and that they actually have the same manufacturer, which I can honestly say is true to a certain extent. Also, I'll be doing a back to school giveaway with clothes and makeup and also school supplies, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video and also check out my previous video for that giveaway. There are 3 separate giveaways, so I'm also doing a giveaway for this video for clothing gift cards from either Forever 21 or H&M or either Forever 21, or I might do rainbow shops. Just, I don't know, comment below which one you guys would like, but either way there will be a winner for each giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for this video and please like this video and look in the description box for the sweepstakes giveaway rules. Okay, so we have a burgundy, Palazzo pants. I'm a huge fan of Palazzo pants and wide leg pants now. I just am. I feel like they're just so beautiful. They're so cute, especially the high-waisted ones. They're so professional and chic. Like, sometimes I get tired of having skinny pants, and you can get a yeast infection by wearing your pants so tight all the time. And I just think it's more modern. I mean, more modest. Oh yes, these are the Palazzo pants. They're not really long either. I mean, they are high-waisted. So, I don't know, they're really cute. They come with this like side belt. Like, you know, it's for the side. And they do have pockets. Yes. So, I'll give these a 10 out of 10. I definitely have seen these on Fashion Nova, like similar, but I do like these for, I think they were like $16.99 or something like that. Basically 17 bucks, under 20 bucks. This is a peplum jacket. Okay, so yeah, I was looking for this white jacket. It was $10. It's a size small, sure. Honey, this whole shirt is giving me entrepreneurial tees. This is giving me power brunch, women's brunch tees, first lady tees. Girl, straight Neo, she got her own tees, like for real. I look like I'm employed, okay, and educated here, yes. So this is a tank midi dress. So I saw a lot of these on Fashion Nova, and I also saw these at, I'm gonna try to include some inserts of the different comparisons between them and Misguided. I saw these at Misguided also. I'm so ashy, I really don't care, but yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, so this is a size medium, and I like the length of it. It's a nice knee length dress. I could have gotten a large, but I feel like this part, since I'm so small, the top would have been much bigger. But I can always wear like a cape or something with it, or blue jean jacket. I like it. I really am shocked at the material. Like, it's actually nice and kind of thick. It's not like paper thin, which is a good thing. So yes, this dress was $7.99. It comes in multiple colors. And get into it, yes. So this is just a regular tank top.
This tank that I'm about to try on is only $3.99 at Rainbow versus $7.99, which is more than half the price at Fashion Nova.
So I do like this tank. I really like this tank. I really do. I can wear a blue jean jacket or something on top if I'm cold. And here's the back. Ooh, cute. I love the color. It is so summer. And I would wear a bra, like a, what do you call it? A strapless bra. So that's what I would do. Okay, as if my melanin could not look any better. Like, mustard is just everything. Everything. No stiff. Stiff work. Okay, so this is, okay, so it's the exact same shirt that I'm wearing now in green. I actually bought this a year ago. in the store, either at Forever 21 or I think it's at Rainbow though. It fits really good, really good, really soft, and I'm into it. Like, I'm just into it. Now it comes down, you know, kind of long a little, but it's cool. It's cute. You can tuck it in. It's kind of thin, so, you know, I just like it. I like this detail about it. So this is a top. Okay, this is another pink top because I like pink all year round, especially like in the fall for some odd reason. I like it in the spring and summer too, but I like it in the fall too because the fall sometimes can be dry and like dark, so I like colors. Okay, so this is more of a chiffon shirt. I don't know how to tie these up because I only have one hand, and yeah, that's kind of where other people kind of come in. So honestly, yeah, not a fan of this right here. I mean, this just kind of looks weird on the actual, like, I don't know what this is doing. Ouch. On the site, it looked so much better. I'm trying to like see if it has like a little ruffle action or something going on. No, that's even worse. I don't know. I'm giving like statue, like Mary the Mother of Jesus tees. Like I'm not feeling it. You know what? I could wear a belt or something, like tie a belt around this and then let it like clench up some more. But I mean, the back is okay, but yeah, you guys kind of missed the mark there on this part right here. So I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10 because I'm not sure what this is doing or whatever. It's just not, no. Okay, so wow, this is definitely like orange. This is a $10 mustard shirt. Oh, okay, I guess I got the same shirt in mustard. That's actually cute. Oh, okay, so this is a different shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt. Okay, so we're here. I'm giving Sunkissed tees. I'm actually liking this shirt. I really am. I feel like it's like, I really feel like it's kind of like semi-casual business attire. I like the flowiness of it and it works. You can wear it with something baggy too, but I would recommend something like tighter, like fitted with this. But you know, regular keyhole back. And then, you know, the front detail. I think it's cute, really cute. This color is just there, so I probably wear khaki with this because any other color would probably be problematic, but that's cool because I like it. This is a 10 out of 10. This shirt was like $10. Was it $10? It was. Okay, so this is a solid tank top. Why would I buy a solid tank top? This has got to be a dress. This has got to be a dress because I know I wouldn't order a tank top. Okay, so come through. This one is I think this one was $9.99, and it fits like a glove, but it is a tad bit shorter. I thought it was actually gonna be much shorter in when I like saw it, but it actually fits good. It's definitely a knee-length dress. It stops like, oh crap, almost fell. Okay, that's not okay. So it stops right at your knee. Yeah, so right at your knee, and it fits like a glove, as you can see, like really soft. Yeah, I mean, I tried. Some of you might say this is too tight, but I did try. I got a medium because my top is small, my bottom is a little bit, just a little heavier. A little here, but this is a cute summer basic dress, you know, blue jean jacket, tees. Definitely 10 out of 10. 10, baby, 10. Oh, okay, so I got the same peplum top as the white one. So I got it in black. This will be perfect for the fall. I could see me in some leather with this on. It's just stunning. Regal, dear. Regal. Yes, very cute. I could totally see me doing something professional in this. Yeah, like I said, professional, interview type, church, you know, power brunch. But yeah, really cute and classy, and I love the material. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Very nice for about, I forgot how much money. I think it was less than $20. I do know that. probably 14 or 15 bucks, but I love the peplum tops. They're classic, always classy, and very chic there. So that's it for the try on haul. Comment below what your favorite item was and what stores you like to shop at and what stores you'd like for me to try on next. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Links will be in the description box for any hair details for my hair company and discount codes, and also the links for these clothing items. And also check out my previous videos to enter the previous giveaways. And just check out my previous videos in general. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.